What's up, y'all? It's Feets here. What you're seeing is me switching cameras. I was filming a video of opening up this. It is a PS2, and my camera crapped out on me. Murphy's Law. If it can go wrong, it's gonna go wrong. Anyway, all you missed was 13 minutes of me not being able to figure out how to get into the son of a bitch. I did get this piece off. It's got a little transistor with some gold in it. Some nice little monolithic ceramic capacitors. A little gold plating. Now to see what we got in this joker, since it don't want to open. Yeah, I know you probably can't see what I'm doing right now, but I gotta hold. There we go. I'm unscrewing and holding it with my thumb. Oh, come on. Whoever put these together didn't want to be taken apart very easy. The sneaky little Japanese people. They still angry for the World War II. Okay, we are getting closer. See, they put screws in right here. Then they put a plastic thing in here on top of it. Makes it hard as hell to get out. Unless you got a wood chisel. And then you pry it out and it'll go right in your shoe. And guess what? It's another friggin' screw. I don't know if y'all can see this very well, but you sure can hear my disgruntledness with this. Oh, you bastards. I know how to get into the little bastards now next time. And they're riveted together. Now they're screwed together. God, what a fan of little metal screws. They should be called little son of a bitches. What kind of little son of a bitches do you need? You need Phillips head son of bitches, flat head son of bitches, hex head. Just make one screw. The threads are all the same. Why can't the heads be? I got into it finally. After not unscrewing all the damn screws. But of all the screws that they do make, Phillips head is my favorite. They're the easiest to get out. But they're everywhere. This, I'm gonna guess, is a piece of steel because it's pretty heavy. But here we go. Here's the board. Finally. Well, son of a... Get the front off of it. Come on now. Ooh, more steel. A couple little pieces of brass here. Here's some brass. Brass. Little beady card here. What we got here? Just copper. Okay, what have we here? Not much anything to write home about. Nice flat pack. Flat pack. Copper. Man, it took me almost 20 minutes to get in this joker. I was expecting something awesome to be in here. There's the CPU for the whole thing. Not much to write home about here either. There's gold in here though, so. But you need a lot of these. Just like with this. But you will find quite a few Tantalum capacitors on here, so that's good. Woohoo! So if you was wondering what was in an old PS2, there you go. Not much of nothing. Chintzy bashers. Well, there you go. See ya!